So last night I'm laying in bed and I'm thinking, what makes me stand out from any other barber? Why do my clients choose me over the next barber? Especially right now with the whole COVID situation. A bunch of people lost their jobs, and you know, what's the best job that you're your own boss? Being a barber. So without the new barbers out there, what's gonna make your clients choose you over the next? I'm gonna be answering that question in today's video. I'm gonna give you guys my input, and I'm also gonna be taking you guys along with me during my day, and we're gonna ask the other barbers at the barbershop what they think as well. So yeah, let's get the day started. So I don't even think I showed you guys the new shop. I don't know. I think I want to make like a reveal video, but I'm gonna be filming in it anyway. So I'll just show you guys what it's looking like. Bam. It's way more open concept than the last one. Everything's here. This is my station. It's not done yet. Once it's done, I'm definitely gonna do a station tour. But yeah, this is what the shop is looking like. Bam.
Quit asking me questions. Yeah, I know you.
Okay. So, how can you stand out from other barbers? So like what makes your clients choose you over any other barber?
Honestly, the best thing to do for are you saying just beginner barbers?
Yeah, like do you have any tips for barbers starting out, like how they could how they could attract more clients over other clients?
Honestly, the best thing when you're first starting off is your client to barber relationship. So the best thing to do is just try to be their boy, you know what I mean? Like try to be always listening to what they say, give your advice, just be cool with your client, be completely comfortable, tell them about your life. They'll eventually open up and shit like that. So whenever you get a new client or whatever, the first thing you need to think about besides the haircut is obviously just how you're gonna keep him in that chair, you know what I mean? That's pretty much it.
Thank you. That was a very good answer.
Shut up, bro.
Quit asking me questions. Yeah, we in this section, but you can't get in. Quit asking me questions. Yeah, I got the new Chrysler, blue with the tint. Quit asking me questions. I'm tired of these questions, asking me questions. I want them questions. They all in my business like TMZ, but back in the day they ain't noticed me. They weren't coming to see me like Otis, but I always felt like the coldest. I had a little chip on my shoulder, then I got older and older, and I had to flick it off. I feel like a boss, like I'm Ricky Ross, but I got no Maybachs. They do anything for the clout. It's thanks when they say that. If I take your girl, don't be in my DM asking for your payback. We save a lot of things like money, but hoes gonna say that. And homie, they straight facts. Yeah, I know you, but we ain't friends. Quit asking me questions. Yeah, we in this section, but you can't get in. Quit asking me questions. Yeah, I got the new Chrysler, blue with the tint. Quit asking me.
Shit. You want to sit down? Where do you want to?
I don't know, bro.
Okay. Okay, let me come over here. So, as a barber, how do you separate yourself from other barbers? So how, why do your clients choose you over other barbers?
That's a really good question.
Like do you have tips to new barbers before that?
Honestly, what I think like separates me from other barbers might be like the way I fade, because the way I fade, it keeps like the top here a bit more darker than like most barbers, so it's higher contrast to the skin and dark.
So tighter fade.
So yeah, tighter fade, and yeah.
So it's you would say it's more the way you're fading, or does it also have to do with your relationship with the client?
The way I fade, I would say.
Okay, so for you, it's really your hair cutting.
Yeah.
Okay.
I would say so, yeah.
All right. Anything else you would like to add?
To new barbers,
Like tips, how to get clients and shit.
okay. Like, detail matters, of course, but don't get too stuck up on it.
Introduce yourself.
So, my name's Nick.
What are you doing right now?
Just cutting the sides, doing a nice layer, cutting 2 inches off.
So how does it feel being starting to cut hair? How do you feel? Are you excited? Are you excited? Are you nervous?
You know, a little bit of both, excited, nerves, but I'm excited to get into the groove. Learn to cut as nice as you.
Okay, that's right.
Yeah.
So, you want to introduce yourself?
Poppy the Barber, been in the game for a minute. I'm one of those master barber educators.
Okay. So my question to you is, how do you stand out from other barbers? So, if you're a beginner barber, what separates you from the rest? Why do your clients come to you and not all the other barbers that there is?
Of course, the skill set has some to do with it, but I think it's more the relationship that you have with the customers, right? So whenever the customer sits on your chair, it's not necessarily a haircut you're selling them. It's more of a feeling, you know. So I think that's what sets you more. If we're talking skill wise, of course, your fading has to be on point if you're trying to set yourself away from other barbers. So me, I look at the seamless fade, the shadow fade. You know what I mean? What you would call like a 5-level fade instead of a narrow 3-level fade. You know. So that's about it, I think, really.
So do you have any advice for someone that's starting out on how to get like more clients?
You know what? It's all in your confidence. At the end of the day, you become a salesman. You're selling your trade, basically. You know, so it's really selling yourself out. It's the confidence. So when you're calling people out, when you're messaging people, it's with confidence. Like, come and see me. I'm the man. You know, and it has to show like that too. You know, the rest people will come. Family members will definitely want to support you. Family members, friends, especially if you're in an environment like this where you have guys that are supervising the haircut and all of that. You know, yeah.
Alright, so I'm back home now, and I'm going to give you guys my answer to the question on how to stand out from other barbers. So I really wanted to answer this question for today's video just because of what's happening right now in the world and everyone losing their jobs. A lot of people are turning to barbering. So yeah, I just wanted to give you guys my input on how to set apart from the crowd and you know, get some more clients. So I think it's really about the experience, not so much the haircut. Of course, the haircut has to play a big part in it, but I feel like once you hit a certain level, after that, the clients aren't gonna notice that that level of perfection. Only other barbers will. So as for the clients, once you hit a certain level, they all see it the same, I feel like. And yeah, it's all about the experience. You know, you want to make your client, make him become one of your boys. You want to talk to him. When you're talking to him, ask them about something that you guys were speaking about last time. Make them know that you remember your last conversation. I feel like that's something I always like to add, just to let them know that when I'm speaking to them, I'm really listening. You want to make them feel like they're not just going to get a haircut. You want to make them feel like they're going for the experience. You're going to go chill. Make that hour feel like 10 minutes. You know what I mean? And yeah, I just feel like if you're passionate about it, the client will notice that too, and they'll stick. You gotta love the game, not the money. Anyways, that's my little input on it. Take what you guys want from it. You know, let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all that stuff, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.